Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. So as you see, guys, here, the daily candle is finished here. And what I told you before, there is no volume. That's what's indicating. Even look at it here down. There is no volume, guys, here. That's what I told you. I told you you're going to see it stay sideways here till Monday started or something. But today and tomorrow, there is nothing. By the way, now is Sunday. So there is nothing, guys. I think everything is too clear, guys, here. So there is nothing confirmed, guys. We're still holding here in that supply and demand zone here. As you see it, even if you bring it from here like that, it's the same. It hasn't been broken. And the Bitcoin showing here, no volume, and even down, there is no volume, guys. So there is nothing confirmed yet. I think everything is too clear here. We don't need to make that video too long, guys. So there is nothing new. By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day, guys, we put into videos every day. 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So like that, you're going to be updated every day what the Bitcoin doing right now. And believe me, if you follow only the Bitcoin, all the rest, they follow Bitcoin, guys. You done it? It's very simple. It will not take you too much, my friend. A red button down, click at it. Next to it, a bell, turn it to all. So like that, when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join our Telegram channel. So like that, when we put in something new, you're going to be the first one, my friend. Because Telegram, the notification is very quick compared to here in YouTube. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment, my friend. You done it? Welcome to the family. And here, guys, look with me here. What you seeing here? Here and here and here. What you seeing? It's a head and shoulder, guys. Yes or no? The shoulder, the head, another shoulder. Forget about the past. Should you enter? No, my friend. Where is the neck? It's not a line. It's a level like that. How I draw it me a square. From the lower of that pin bar here, tail down. For you to know it is going to drop, it needs to break down here. A candle to close here. The close of it to be down here. If it doesn't, there is no entry. The close, it means the body of the candle, not the tail. The body of the candle, as you see it here, that one, that the body of the candle. The tails, as you see them up and up. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into our indicators, what they're saying for the picture to be more clear to you. That one here, as you see it, guys, it came, it touched here. Now it's showing a rejection. So there is nothing confirmed yet. And look at it here, what it's trying to give us here. Try to give us the famous 3 in the top, 2 in the down. We don't know. Maybe it's going to go back up again. So let's wait in tomorrow what is going to happen, guys. So that's why I told you, if you are not a subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification. So when also you put in something new, you're going to be notified. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying here in the daily, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, we said it thousands of times, guys. We got here a divergence. Yes or no? Should we enter? No. It's need to break the price action, guys. If it doesn't, also we are not going to enter. If it doesn't, also we are not going to enter. I'm talking here about the daily, guys. And tomorrow I'm going to come back to you and show you what the weekly doing, guys. By the way, I know you are a subscriber. You smash the like button, my friend. Go ahead and do it, helping us. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. And try to write with it a comment. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. And I appreciate all the help I get from you guys. Now, let's go into the 4 hours, guys, to see what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in the 4 hours, guys, if you remember us, from here we enter, yes or no? From that channel, when it's breaking here, we enter. We enter from that candle. Stop loss of us, we said we are going to put it down here, yes or no? And it's still there. Bitcoin it came till here. Now, here in that zone here, where we are now, what the Bitcoin showing there, guys? What the Bitcoin is trying to show you here in that zone, guys. Look at it. What those candles they showing you here? All those candles here, what they showing you? You know it? Write it down in a comment, my friend. Helping the other people, they don't know it. All those candles here, guys, they showing there is a rejection and you are in a very stronger level, guys. Look at them. Look at those tails. Every time any candle try to break down, they showing a big tail, guys. Yes or no? No. Either from here we are going to go higher or we're going to fall down, guys, because all that, it doesn't mean nothing, guys. And here, look at our friend, guys, what it's telling you. Here, our friend, what it's telling you, guys. Look at it. What it's telling you. The reds, they are controlling the market, guys. That means the bears, they are controlling the market. But it's only one time spike the volume, guys. When the daily candle or the week, it's getting close, guys. I'm talking about the normal market, not the weekly candle of cryptocurrency. And here, look at those days, guys. There is no volume. That was me being telling you. There is no volume at the last 2 days of the week. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see our other indicators what the same for the picture to be more clear to you guys. That one here, guys, when it's breaking here, I told you it's going to come down. Look at it where we are. Should you buy now? No. Also we buy because that one it's breaking high. It came till here, till that level. Then look at it till when it went. Till down. Maybe it's going to hit for us the stop lose, but that's a part of trading, my friend. That's a part of trading. Also, we've been a lot of time, we've been winning. It came once, we're going to lose. That's what his name trading, guys. It's not like investing. Investing is, yes, it's for long term and there is no losing, but it takes long. Trading, it's very quick. You make money very quick. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying for picture to be more clear to you guys. By the way, did you smash the like button, my friend? I know you don't. Go now, go. Stop the video and go. Smashing the like button. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Let's go now to see our other indicator, what it's saying, guys. Here, our indicator, guys, as you see it, us we enter because of here we've been here at the oversold, and here we got a price action. It's indicating for us the market is going to reverse up. Yes, it reversed till here, but after that, look at it, it's falling down. Should now we closing that buy order we have? No, my friend, it's need to close by itself. Either from here to go back here to the oversold, then also we're looking for another buy opportunity, or from here, it just a rest and you're going to see it in Monday going to the overbought, guys. Because that one is part of trading, guys. It's a, what can we say that? It's a emotional game. They playing at your emotion. Oh, I'm losing. Oh, blah, blah, blah. All those things, forget about them. You enter, forget about it. And look what we have here. In the 4 hours, guys. What we said here, we have very clear triangle. Yes or no? Did it break here? No. If it came from here and breaking here, guys, I told you the first target, it need to be here. Second target, it need to be here. And also where we enter, guys. Look, we enter from here. The market is very close to hitting our stop loss, but it's okay. If it's hit it, we're looking for another opportunity, guys. And what did I told in the last video, guys? I told you that look at the Bitcoin. It tried to give you here a cup and handle. It's not clear yet because it's need that one to come up again. If it came up, it's going to give us here a cup and handle, guys. And cup and handle, that one is a very bullish signal, guys. So let's wait, and if it's breaking here, that means it's going to break even for us, that one, as we said. Yes or no, guys? Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in 30 minutes for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Here in 30 minutes, guys, also we enter short from here. The scalping trade, we enter in it. Because that head and shoulder, yes or no? What did I told you in the last video? Here you have. Here, what I told you like that. I told you here in 30 minutes, you got a flag, guys. What that indicating? That one indicating a bearish signal, guys, yes or no? How you going to calculate it? If it came and breaking here, down here, you bring that one, that line, that one, and you put it from here, like that, to down. So the Bitcoin is going to go till the last low, guys, till here. Then we're going to see if it's going to break or no. Maybe it's going to break, maybe it will not go. Should you buy now? Here in 30 minutes? No, my friend. You are, yes, you are in a very stronger level, guys. Look at it. What should you buy? No. Always if it give you here a price action, guys. The price action, where is it? Is it that one? The top of that flag, guys. If it's being broken here in the top and breaking for the 200 moving average, let's make it as the 200 moving average as a level. If it's getting broke here, you enter long, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicators, what they say for pictures to be more clear to you. That one, our indicator, guys, where we are at the oversold area, yes or no? Should we buy? No, that one is just an oscillator, guys. You don't need to base your trading about oscillators, guys, because majority of them, they just repenting themselves or they lagging a lot. Also, we use it just to know us we are in the oversold area, guys. Second thing, what I told you, a very stronger supply and demand zone. No matter which time frame you're using. Third thing and the most important part is the price action, guys. Without price action, don't enter. Price action here, where is it? It needs to come to break for us the 200 moving average, guys. Here. If it doesn't, also we are not going to enter. It might here to stay at the oversold and the Bitcoin price to fall down, guys. Everything is too clear, guys? So that's it for that video, guys. See you in another video. Bye for now, guys.